Okay, so good guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on our gold. So if you are yet to subscribe and you will not click on that subscribe button, I want you to do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make a comment. Now, this is our prediction for yesterday on gold. I told you that gold will definitely going to give us a bullish move, and this is exactly what gold did. Our prediction that was that gold will definitely continue the bullish move, and it is exactly what gold did. Gold gave us that bullish move. Now we will still expect it to continue the movement to the upside. Reason is that let's go to our daily time frame. We will have to zoom it out. Let's start with our trend. This is our trend on gold. We are in an uptrend. Market is giving us a strong buy to the upside, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in, take a look at this our current trend, which market is doing. We have the main trend and we have the current trend. So our main trend on gold is an uptrend, right? This is our main current trend, which is also trending to the upside. So market has now given us this shop, which is the high, plus the higher low. Market has now given us another bullish move, which is the new high plus the high low. Now, if you take a look at this here, market has been rallying up, especially when you zoom it in, you see something like this: higher high, higher low, or higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. Here comes the higher low. I also told you guys the reason why we'll be expecting the next bullish move is that we are expecting market to push up further till it forms a new higher high. Hereby, this further movement should take out this previous high. So a further movement to the upside. So our stick targets that we talked about is level of 4284. So 4284 on gold is still our target. So probably we might be hitting the targets next week. So we still have between Thursday, Friday, there's still time between Thursday, Friday for gold to give us that bullish move to hit our targets. If it does not hit our targets this week, then hopefully by next week it should be able to hit our target. So still a bullish move is what we are expecting now. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. We can see that this is a major rejection. I also explained to you guys previously. The markets rejected from year 1, rejected from year 2, rejected from year 3, rejected from year 4, and now this is our 5th time market is rejecting. So just in case if market comes back to retest it, I just want you guys to know, if in case market comes down to retest it, then expect a rejection, markets will eventually push up. Just expect if it comes down to retest it, then expect market to push up. So above all, we are still anticipating for a bullish move of gold.